Hi, my name's Mr. Watson, and I'm one of the IT teachers at Kenner Bay School. Now, we are really looking forward to teaching you how to do some really cool coding when you get to us. But to help you get there, we'd like you to take on a few good habits now. In this video, we're going to get to know our keyboards. Now, first thing to do is take a closer look at the keyboard in front of you. Get to know where some of the certain keys are. For example, the ones we're going to focus on are the Shift key. You've got two of those, one either side. Then you've got a caps lock key. Then we're going to look at the Control key. That's the one with CTRL written on it. And finally, find this somewhere on your keyboard, but you should have one with Print Screen written on it. That might be abbreviated like the one on the screen. Our first habit is to stop using the caps lock key and start using the Shift key a lot more. Now, as you all know, pressing the caps lock key will give you capital letters, but so will pressing the Shift key. And in the long run, learning to use the Shift key as second nature is going to save you a lot of time. When you start writing code, you're going to have to use all sorts of punctuation, and the Shift key is the way to get to those. Now we're going to learn a few shortcuts. So as I'm sure you know, your computer's got quite a lot of memory, and part of that memory we refer to as the clipboard. The clipboard's somewhere where we can store things in the short term. So for example, if I go to the edit menu in a piece of software and I use copy, that's where I'm actually copying the thing to, whether it be an image or a piece of text. But I don't have to use the menu here. What I can actually do is just hold down the Control key and press the letter C. I've got to hold the Control key down the whole time. Now I want to paste that from the clipboard. I just hold down the Control key and press the letter V. I can do this from copying images from the internet or text from one document to another. The next habit we're going to look at is how we can copy the whole screen. This can be useful for several reasons. You might want to keep track of the work you're doing with a piece of software to show the progress you've made, or you might be struggling with something at home and want to send your teacher a picture of the screen so they can see where you're stuck. Copying your screen will vary from computer to computer. Somewhere on your keyboard, there should be a key with Print Screen, or that might be abbreviated. You might also have a thing called the FN key, or commonly known as the function key. Now on most PCs, you're going to hold down the function key and press Print Screen. That's now copied it to your clipboard. To paste the image somewhere, either into an email or a piece of work, just hold down Control and press the V key. Now, like I said, you might have to do a little Google search just to work out how it works for your computer. For example, on a Mac, you replace Control with Command and press Shift, Command, and the number 4. You can also look into something called screen snipping if you're working on Windows 10. There you have it. 3 simple habits you can use to work much more efficiently on your computer. Learn to use that Shift key and try to stop using that caps lock key all the time. Learn how to use Control C and Control V to copy and paste images and text. And also work out how you can copy your screen. Thanks for listening, guys, and remember, good habits don't happen straight away. You need to work at them.